Pathophysiology of lupus nephritis, step-by-step process. Lupus nephritis (LN) is a serious complication of systemic lupus erythematosus (SLE), an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks the body's own tissues, including the kidneys. The pathophysiology involves immune dysregulation, autoantibody production, and inflammation. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of the pathophysiological process. 1. Loss of immune tolerance. Trigger: genetic susceptibility, environmental factors, e.g. UV light, infections, and hormonal factors, e.g. estrogen. Effect: the immune system fails to distinguish self from non-self. Result: production of autoantibodies, particularly against nuclear antigens, e.g. anti-dsDNA antibodies. 2. Formation of immune complexes. Action: autoantibodies bind to nuclear antigens released from apoptotic cells. Product: formation of circulating immune complexes. 3. Deposition of immune complexes in the glomeruli. Target site: these immune complexes are deposited in the glomerular basement membrane, mesangium, or capillary walls of the kidney. Trigger: activation of complement system, especially C3, C4. 4. Activation of the complement system. Action: immune complex deposition triggers the classical complement pathway. Result: release of C3a and C5a, potent chemotactic factors that recruit inflammatory cells. Out of 5. Recruitment of inflammatory cells. Cells involved: neutrophils, macrophages, T cells. Cytokines released: IL-1, IL-6, TNF-α, interferon-α. Outcome: inflammatory damage to glomerular structures, mesangial cells, endothelium, podocytes. 6. Glomerular injury. Forms of damage: mesangial proliferation, endocapillary proliferation, capillary wall thickening, crescent formation, tubulo-interstitial in consequence, proteinuria, hematuria, reduced glomerular filtration rate, GFR. 7. Fibrosis and chronic damage. Progression: persistent inflammation leads to glomerulosclerosis, interstitial fibrosis, and tubular atrophy. Long-term outcome: chronic kidney disease, CKD, or end-stage renal disease, ESRD. Summary diagram, textual format: immune dysregulation, autoantibody formation, immune complex formation, immune complex deposition in glomeruli, complement activation, inflammatory cell recruitment, glomerular and tubular damage, fibrosis and chronic renal injury. Thank you. Have a nice day.